Easter is such a beautiful time to bring joy and renewal into your home through decoration. There's something special about filling your space with soft colors, fresh flowers, and charming details that remind everyone of the warmth and happiness this season brings. Decorating for Easter isn't just about making things look pretty, it's about creating an atmosphere of celebration, comfort, and togetherness. Imagine walking into a home filled with pastel tones, gentle candlelight, and the scent of spring flowers. It instantly lifts the mood and makes everything feel more inviting. One of the greatest benefits of decorating for Easter is how it brings a sense of freshness and renewal. After the cold months, adding seasonal decor is like breathing new life into your home. Simple touches like floral arrangements, bunny figurines, and soft textiles create a peaceful and cheerful environment. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about how it makes you feel. A well-decorated home can boost your mood, reduce stress, and make everyday moments more enjoyable. Another wonderful advantage is how Easter decorations help create meaningful memories. Whether you're decorating with family, setting up an Easter brunch, or just adding a few festive elements to your living space, these moments become traditions that bring people together. Think about the excitement of children as they see colorful eggs displayed around the home, or the joy of preparing a beautifully decorated table for guests. It's these small but significant details that turn holidays into cherished experiences. When it comes to ideas for decorating, there are endless possibilities to make your home feel festive and elegant at the same time. A great starting point is using soft pastel shades. Think delicate pinks, baby blues, fresh greens, and warm yellows. These colors instantly brighten up any space and give it that perfect Easter charm. You can incorporate them through table linens, cushions, candles, or even small decorative pieces placed around the home. A beautiful way to add a natural touch is by bringing in fresh flowers and greenery. Tulips, daffodils, and lilies are classic Easter choices that not only look stunning, but also bring a fresh and vibrant scent to your home. You can arrange them in simple glass vases, rustic baskets, or even inside painted mason jars for a more creative look. Adding touches of greenery like eucalyptus or ivy makes everything feel more organic and lively. Table settings are an essential part of Easter decor, especially if you're hosting a meal or gathering. A well-decorated table can transform an ordinary brunch into a special occasion. Consider using a soft-colored tablecloth, elegant napkins, and delicate dishware to create a refined yet cozy atmosphere. Placing decorative Easter eggs in a woven basket or using bunny-shaped napkin rings adds a whimsical touch without feeling overwhelming. Candles and fairy lights bring in warmth and make the setting even more magical. If you love DIY projects, Easter decorations can be a fun way to get creative. Hand-painting eggs is a classic tradition, but there are so many ways to personalize them. You can use metallic paint for a modern look, pastel watercolors for something soft and dreamy, or even decorate them with dried flowers for a rustic aesthetic. Arranging these eggs in a glass bowl or a wooden tray instantly creates a lovely centerpiece. Wreaths aren't just for Christmas, they're a perfect addition to Easter decor as well. A simple wreath made of twigs, flowers, and pastel ribbons hanging on your front door gives a warm and inviting feel to your home. You can even get creative by adding small decorative eggs or tiny bunny figures to make it even more festive. If you have a fireplace or a mantle, decorating it with garlands, candles, and a few Easter-themed pieces can make it the focal point of your space. For those who want to go a step further, incorporating Easter-themed decorations throughout the home can make the whole space feel more festive. Small details like bunny figurines, ceramic egg holders, and little nests with artificial eggs can be placed on shelves, coffee tables, or windowsills. Even something as simple as switching out your usual throw pillows for ones with floral or spring-themed designs can make a big difference. One of the most overlooked areas when decorating for Easter is outdoor spaces. A beautifully decorated front porch with a spring wreath, a few potted flowers, and a rustic wooden sign can create a warm welcome before guests even step inside. If you have a garden or backyard, setting up an Easter-themed picnic with soft blankets, cushions, and fairy lights can be a lovely way to enjoy the holiday outdoors. Another beautiful aspect of Easter decoration is how it encourages creativity and personal expression. Unlike other holidays that might have more structured themes, Easter allows for a mix of styles, from rustic and vintage to modern and minimalistic. You can choose a theme that reflects your personality and the atmosphere you want to create. If you love a cozy farmhouse look, you might go for wooden decorations, woven baskets, and soft neutral colors. If you prefer something more vibrant and playful, pastel tones, colorful eggs, and floral prints will bring that lively energy into your home. One simple yet effective way to enhance the Easter ambience is through scents. The right fragrances can make a space feel even more welcoming. Candles or diffusers with scents like vanilla, fresh cotton, or citrus can complement the fresh and airy feeling of spring. If you prefer natural scents, placing bowls of dried lavender or cinnamon sticks in different areas of the home can add a subtle but beautiful touch. A great tip to make your Easter decorations stand out is layering textures. Mixing materials like soft linen, delicate lace, smooth ceramics, and natural wood creates depth and warmth in your decor. A woven table runner with ceramic bunny figurines, a soft throw blanket with floral cushions, or a rustic wooden tray with scented candles and Easter eggs. These combinations make everything look more thoughtfully arranged. If you have little ones at home, Easter decorations can also be interactive. Creating a special Easter corner with a small tree where children can hang decorated eggs, or crafting a DIY egg hunt station with cute baskets can make the celebration even more exciting. Even something as simple as a chalkboard with an Easter message written in elegant handwriting can add a personal and charming touch. When decorating your entryway, consider making it feel like a grand welcome. A console table with a mix of fresh flowers, a bowl of decorative eggs, and a few candles can instantly set the mood as soon as someone steps inside. Adding a festive garland around a mirror, or placing a bunny-shaped wreath on the wall makes the space feel more intentional and ready for the season. Another idea that adds both beauty and practicality to Easter decor is using multifunctional pieces. Decorative baskets filled with Easter eggs or small treats can double as both decor and a delightful surprise for guests. A beautiful tiered stand with cupcakes and pastel macarons serves as a charming centerpiece while also being a delicious part of the celebration. Thinking this way allows your decorations to feel more natural and less staged. One of the best things about decorating for Easter is that it doesn't have to be expensive. Many decorations can be made at home with simple materials. Painting and personalizing wooden eggs, crafting paper garlands, or arranging flowers in repurposed glass bottles are budget-friendly ways to make your home feel festive. The key is to focus on details that create harmony and warmth without feeling overwhelming. If you love incorporating nature into your decor, Easter is the perfect time to do so. Small potted plants like daisies, violets, or fresh herbs can be placed on tables, windowsills, or even hung from the ceiling for a fresh and lively atmosphere. Decorating with bird nests, wooden accents, and natural fabrics makes the home feel even more connected to the beauty of spring. Easter decorations also have the advantage of being versatile. Many of the elements used, like floral arrangements, pastel accents, and natural textures, can easily transition into general spring decor even after the holiday is over. This means you can keep the fresh and cheerful look in your home for weeks without needing to change everything again. The most important thing about decorating for Easter is making it personal and enjoyable. Whether you prefer a simple and elegant style or a playful and colorful look, the key is to create a space that feels warm, inviting, and full of life. Even the smallest decorative touches can bring joy and make the holiday feel more special. Ultimately, it's about celebrating the season of renewal, love, and togetherness in a way that makes you and your loved ones feel happy and connected.